All right, welcome back. So in this episode, we're going to dive a little bit more deeper into how to dispo wholesale real estate deals fast. If you missed the last video, go watch that. We explain what dispo is. I'll do like a brief explanation right now again. For those of you who might just stumble into this video by mistake. What is wholesale real estate deal? My name is Ola, by the way. But what is wholesale real estate deal? Wholesale real estate is basically the art and science of finding deeply discounted properties, locking them under contract. Okay, you secure equitable interest with a sales contract, and then you now have the right to buy the property at a set amount, usually discounted. Remember, discounted 75% or lower, 70% or lower, actually. All right, and then you assign the right to buy that property at that price to an end buyer investor. That is wholesale real estate deal. The very bit where you're assigning the right you created to another person for an assignment fee is what we call the disposition. Okay, we call it dispo, or disposition is called the phase three. So phase one, hold on one second. All right, so phase one is marketing. We'll cover more of that later on. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Phase two is acquisition, basically turning any lead generated into contract. You created the right to buy this property at a set price, and then you assign that right to another person for an assignment fee. Okay, and there are multiple different strategies to go about that. You have the assignment, you have the double closing. You also have something that's pretty new these days. You might have heard about it. It's called novation, which is basically maybe you couldn't secure a very low discount, you couldn't secure high enough discount on the property, and then you get it, you still secure a contract, but then you get the property listed on the market, and then you still make money. Okay, so that will be phase three, disposition. So today we're talking about how to dispo wholesale real estate deals fast, step by step. All right, so I'll try to do step by step, but my first thing that I always do is to go inside of PropStream. So if you don't know PropStream is a simple real estate investing software, and you can try it for free. There's a free trial when you go to myempirepro.com/PropStream. Okay, and excuse me. So you go to PropStream for free. You get to try for 30 days. Okay, but let's dive into how I would go about disposing properties for free. So let's go back into, I think this time we should go into Middlesex County, New Jersey. Middlesex County, New Jersey. Okay, here we go. All right, so over here, a couple of things. Okay, the filters are your friend. See this button right here? This is your friend. This is where you want to play if you want. So you've managed to set up a good marketing operation. If you don't know how to do that, we can help you here. Just reach out. Um, then you've managed to, your marketing is working, and somebody called you and they said they're ready to get rid of a piece of property that was inherited, but now there's taxes owed on it and it's facing foreclosure, and they're only owing $5,000 on a piece of property that's worth about $350,000. They've tried to see if they could do something with the property, but they're not interested. They live in California. This property is in Middlesex County, New Jersey. So they just want to get rid of it. Okay. So you said, okay, great. You negotiated a good deal. This is acquisition. And then you locked it up under contract for, let's say, 165. Remember, this property is worth what? Maybe let's just say 450, right? After repair, it's worth about 450, right? So, but you found that you were able to lock it under contract for 175. So now you need to make money. You need to close the deal. You need to go to that phase of closing the deal, which we call disposition, by finding end buyer investor, and then assigning the right to buy this property at 175 to that end buyer investor, and then you charge the end buyer investor $20,000. So their total cost in will be 175 plus $20,000, 195. It's still a big deal. It's still a good deal for them because that property needs about $50,000 worth of work. So let's say they are all in $250,000, right? They still get to sell the property for 450 after closing costs. It's good profit for them. So you can find deals like this by simply learning wholesale real estate. Okay. So now that you have this property unlocked under contract, now you want to get into disposition, which we can help you with as well in case you have such a deal somewhere. Okay. All you have to do is reach out using the link in the description. All right. So now you want to assign, you want to get into disposition, and that's what we're talking about, how to dispose this kind of properties step by step. Okay. So I will go into prop stream, and then I will put in the county where the property is located, or the city. You can narrow down to the city. You can start small and then start growing, but county is a fair level to start from. So once you put that in there, you can see there's 256,000 properties on record in Middlesex County. We're going to go on the filters. The filters are your friend, and there are two lead lists that I'm looking at here, preset lead list that PropStream has set up in here. Okay, there are two of them. One of them is called flippers. Okay, flippers, and the other one is called cash buyers. Okay, the flippers one, I think it actually gives you access to a list of buyer agents, cash buyer agents. Okay, so let's go into one of them. Let's go and click on this guy. Okay, and once we click on that guy, we can narrow down by, so you want to narrow down by property types. Okay, so property types, the way they're listed in New Jersey is a little bit weird. Most of the rest of the country, you don't have to deal with this, but here we'll go by number of bedrooms. Once a property has like 5 bedrooms, this one says, why is it maxing out at 5? Let me see if it allows us to type it in. Okay, it does. So I'll just put 7 minimum. Okay, so let's not put max, let's put minimum 5 bedrooms, minimum 5 bedrooms rather, a minimum of 2 bathrooms. So that will pull up all the multiple unit properties in the area. And I'm looking for investors that are open to buying, so they're open to buying anything, let's see, maximum anything 1960 and backwards. Okay, any property that was built 1960 and backwards. If this was a condo, I can decide to say homeowners association, include any properties with homeowner association, right? But let's just keep that at any. Everything else is any. We don't want to be too specific, but these are filters that you can use. Okay, so now we've narrowed down to 59 properties if you look at the top here, and I'm going to click view these properties. Okay, these are the 59 properties that was purchased by let me go back to filters. We have flippers. Okay, so these are essentially agents. That's the way PropStream defined it the last time I checked. So I'm going to go, there's a South Amboy property here. List price is $625,000. The status date, it was active. It became active. It's saying 285 here. Let me see, $285,000 price. It was listed. Let me see. Okay, so let's click into this property. Just look at more detail, right? But there was some cash buying activities here. It looks like, let's see where it says cash sale. Let's look at that. So somebody purchased this at $285,000. Property is worth $548,000 right now. Or there's another place where it's actually said $625,000. It's listed up for $625,000. Okay, this is making sense. They purchased it at $285,000. It's now listed at $625,000. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the cash transaction, because remember, we're looking to dispo a deal. So we're looking for a cash buyer who can check out a property that I have under contract right now. That's how we make money, right? So they also have a new tab here. I like this new tab. It's called intelligence. I wonder where it's under intelligence. Let's click into it. Exterior condition, property condition. Okay, we could play with that one later, but foreclosure factor 1% is low. It's pretty low. Anyway, let's go back to cash sale. Under cash sale, we could see that there was a seller, Simon Louis. All right, and what else? There's a buyer. There's a buyer, Woodland LLC. That's the buyer. Those are the cash buyers right there. So I would need information on that cash buyer. Now go under MLS detail and find out who the agent is. There's an agent, Sandra. We want to reach out to Sandra. Say, hey, Sandra, I noticed that you listed a property at Woodland. You have a cash buyer. I do have a deal. I'm a real estate wholesaler in the neighborhood. I have a deal that I think your buyer will be interested in. That is probably the best way to find this deal. Now you can go through all 59 properties here and do the same step by step. Remember, you have gold in your hands. A property you secured at 175, you're ready to make $20,000. Would you make 59 calls so you can make $20,000? Anyway, this is one of many other ways you can, anyhow you can reach out to some of these cash buyers. So if you go on the filter here, you can also go to cash buyer here, right? And then we keep the same property type and stuff, but you can go under that and you can also filter down. If you scroll down, you can see more information by scrolling down to secure based on how long they've owned the property, because that's 10,000 pieces. Well, it's narrowed down to 697 pieces of properties because of the filters, and you can narrow down further using the filters below here based on the type of property you're looking for. Just like that, you have access to all the cash buyers that you need. All right, this software is easy. Again, try it out for free. Just go to myempirepro.com/popstream. You can also click directly from the description box. All right, now I've got my next video. I'm definitely going to be talking about, do DISPO companies suck? Wholesale real estate truth. That's what I want to talk about next, so be on the lookout for that in case you are a replay gang and you're watching this in replay. All right, please do me a favor. Please hit like, share, subscribe on this channel. We're trying to wake up the algorithms because we are just coming back again. It's been a minute, so help us share, like, subscribe, turn up your notifications so you're notified whenever we go live. Without any further ado, let's move on to the next one. I'll be right back.